Hey, what is up guys, it's WackDance here and welcome back to WackDance Gaming, and today I'm going to show you how I built my very first PC. So first of all, let's get this out of the way. This video has been long overdue. It should have come out in late October to mid-November, but some delays happened. First of all, my health issue sometime in October, and another thing was the graphic card update. I knew it was coming in even before I got the computer, but at the end of October I got the news. I got emails about my packets being delivered from UK, and I was excited. I thought, you know what, we can deliver it by November. But guess what, the package was shipped out on 27th of October from UK, and it reached me on 21st of November, almost a freaking month to get one graphic card delivered through express mail, by the way, DHL service. So that happened almost a month, 27th to 21st, guys. And like the due date, original due date was like 4th or 6th of November. So it got postponed big time. But anyways, we're here. And I didn't really include the graphic card all that much here, because, you know, by the time I got the graphic card, I was like, I wanted to just get into my computer and be done with it. So there's that. But anyways, let's get started. As you guys can see on the table, we have all the parts set right there with my not so well placed green screen. But we're gonna start with the biggest part here, the NZXT S340. It's not the elite case, it's a normal one. It's the white color. I went for this one. I think the red and black scheme is pretty washed up by enough. A lot of people have the same color scheme, red and black, so I thought let's go with a little bit different color, and I like the white one anyways. So that's the thing, that's the biggest part there. Then it's the MSI Z370 Tomahawk motherboard, overclockable Z. So Corsair CX650M. The M supposed to be modular. It's semi-modular though. One wire, the power for the CPU and the motherboard aren't removable. I mean, we need them anyway, so that's fine. Then we have the i7-8700, 16 gigs of hyper-accelerated DDR4, 3200 MHz RAM, 2 TB of storage, along with another TB from my older computer, and 120 GB SSD from SanDisk, and Cooler Masters Hyper 212X CPU cooler. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I built the PC, and once we're done with it, we will talk about how much the build costs. And that concludes the build. Now coming to the pricing of it, without the graphic card it cost 80,000, and I didn't have to buy the graphic card, Nvidia sent it to me. So I looked it up online, and 65,000 Indian rupees seems to be the appropriate price for the GTX 1080 Ti right now. So if you add them up, it comes to a grand total of 1,45,000. And if you're watching this from abroad, if you're not from India, the price will vary drastically, so please keep that in mind. And that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, don't forget the thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for gaming content and occasional videos like this. Also, if this is the very first video you're watching from my channel, do note that I'm not a tech YouTuber and I had to shoot this with my phone. So until next time, this is WackDance signing out. Peace, man.